Hello everyone, I'm Em, welcome to TechBlock, and today we're going to be unboxing the NZXT H700i mid-tower PC case. Right, so first of all, it came in this lovely package, very similar to the package that the H440 it came in as well. On the side of the package we have some cool information about NZXT's CAM software and the fact that this case comes with RGB LED strips that are individually addressable, as well as their Grid Plus version-free digital controller to control your fans and RGB lighting and stuff via their CAM software, I believe. So yeah, there's some cool information about here. There's beautiful craftsmanship and enjoyable builds for all. There's some cool cable management stuff at the back of the case as well. I believe there are a couple straps and stuff that allow you to mount the cables behind the motherboard tray and stuff. So building inside this case, it should be pretty easy, and especially make cable management take much less time thanks to all the straps and stuff at the back. I'm going to put the camera down now and unbox the actual case. So this should be a pretty easy unboxing. Just cut the tape on both sides. All this back. Hopefully the case arrived in good condition, as there is a tempered glass side panel that it comes with as well. Yeah, pretty easy unboxing. Let's flip this around. Let's flip this over. It fell. Hopefully it's okay. Go. I don't know if I've unboxed it the correct way. Oh, no, everything seems to be okay. Let's flip it over, dude. There's the case. We'll be comparing it to my NZXT H440. I'll probably be making a couple of videos as well about the PC build, as well as a comparison between my old case. Right. I've never had a tempered glass side panel on a PC before, so that will be new. Be very gentle with the case. It says handle with care. I shall try to do so. Ooh. Right. Let's take all the packaging off the case as well. Ooh. Trying to be very careful here. There we go. Ooh, that's cool. Cool design. Ooh, it's not glossy. It's kind of like a matte finish across the whole case, as opposed to the H440 being like a glossy finish on the side. So this is different. It's a nice matte finish. I like this a little bit more actually. It's cool. Right. Let's move this here, dude. I think I'll leave this on here for now, or should I take it off now? Oh well, let's take off this protection for the tempered glass right now. Ooh, that was nice. Ah, I keep getting shocks. Cool case. Very different to the H440. There's a lot more ventilation here for your fans and stuff. As on the H440 there's no grill here. However, on the H700i there is, so that it should improve airflow ever so slightly. I believe that this comes with 3 fans at the front and 1 at the back. The fans at the front are 120mm, and there's 3 of them, and there's a 140mm NZXT fan at the back as well. No fans on the top, of course, but I do have my radiator that I'll be mounting there. Right, just so you guys can have a better look at the actual case, with some better lighting now. There's the case. I will be doing a PC build in it very soon, as of course I did buy the case to put my PC in there and stuff. Cool case. Very nice. I wonder how it will look on the desk as well. That'll be cool to see. By the way, we did just hit 3,500 subscribers on the channel, which is a big milestone. Thank you very much for all the support on the channel. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner in the next couple of days to come. Right, so let's turn the browser off and then turn the PC off as well. So I'm going to put, there was some kind of error on my PC. I've currently got a USB LED strip mounted inside of my NZXT H700i that is controlled by this generic RGB strip controller, I guess. We can turn that off. This PC's also off. And let's unplug everything and put the new case on the desk. Well, that works too. Let's move the H700i off the desk and put the H700i in its place, just to kind of see how it looks like and stuff. That looks like it's so different actually. That looks very, very different. Wow. Right, so I'll probably do a quick like little before and after shot, but yeah, that looks very different in my opinion. The tempered glass is very nice. A big change from the, I guess, the acrylic side panel on the H700i. Wow. Very nice, dude. I can't wait to actually put my PC in there and stuff. That'll be super cool. One thing I forgot to mention is that there's also a button on the back of the PC case right here that if you press it, it ejects the side panel, which is pretty cool. And there are also some stuff in the hard drive bays at the bottom here as well. We have an NZXT little box here. Let's open it up, check out what's inside. Go. We open this up, we have, ooh, they do have another RGB LED strip. That is very nice of them. Thank you, NZXT. I do like RGB LED strips, especially your RGB LED strips, as these are the NZXT Hue Plus LED strips, which are pretty cool. There are some cable, there are some plastic cable zip ties here as well, and then a bunch of screws in here. Anything else? Perhaps some NZXT stickers, maybe? That would be pretty cool. We've made some changes around here. Just some stuff, 4-pin connector, RGB LED strip extension cables and stuff. Very cool. H700i mid tower, I'm guessing this is a quick start guide. I just ripped it a little bit, oh my god. I don't see any NZXT stickers yet. That's a bit disappointing. The H700i came with some NZXT stickers. That was pretty cool. Maybe they are in here somewhere. I mean, I don't see them. Maybe they are. Yeah, that pretty much concludes the unboxing. There is no NZXT sticker that I can see. However, we do have an NZXT mini puck, I believe this is. Oh, there. And here are the actual strips. The cable management Velcro ties right here. Or Velcro straps. Pretty cool stuff. This will actually really help cable management. There are some channels here that the cables can run through. That's pretty cool. Some stuff here as well. Wow, good job NZXT. This is a pretty good case. I mean, you wouldn't really expect anything less from a case that costs this much. From what I've seen, this case costs anywhere from £200 or more, especially on Amazon. And for the white and black version, for some reason on Amazon, the white and black one has been costing the most out of all their H700i cases. But yeah, I picked this case up for £146 on a deal that it was on Amazon. I'm not sure why it was on sale for that low, but there was one left in stock, and I ended up buying the case. So yeah, pretty cool case. I got it for a fantastic deal. I will leave the link to this case in the description down below, so you guys can go check it out and buy yourself if you want to. If you're looking for a fantastic case with a tempered glass side panel, brilliant cable management by the looks of things, and I can't wait to build inside this PC case as well. And I'll leave a link in the description down below to the actual PC build of the case once I get round to recording it. Right, so that pretty much concludes the actual unboxing of the NZXT H700i PC case. A very quick video, but I will be posting a couple more videos about this case, and that includes the PC build inside the case, as well as probably a comparison of the H700i versus the H700i, their features and stuff, and which one I like better. Bearing in mind that this case costs twice as much as the H440. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another one soon. Goodbye.